Tucked away on the eastern coast of Taveuni Island in Fiji, the Garden Island Resort sits along the coastal road in Waiyevo, offering travelers a genuine slice of the South Pacific without the polished sheen of the mega resorts you find on the main islands. This place has built a solid reputation among divers, snorkelers, and folks who want to escape the crowded tourist trails, and with a Tripadvisor score of 4 from over 316 reviews, it clearly does something right. What follows is an honest look at what guests can expect when they book a stay here, from the rooms and the food to the activities and the little touches that make a trip memorable. Taveuni is often called the Garden Island of Fiji, and this resort takes that nickname seriously, planting itself right where the jungle meets the sea. If you are the kind of traveler who values friendliness over flash and adventure over amenities, this review will help you decide whether Garden Island Resort belongs on your travel list. The rooms at Garden Island Resort are designed with comfort and function in mind rather than luxury for its own sake. Guests can generally expect ocean-facing accommodations that make the most of the resort's coastal position, with private balconies or verandas being a common feature that lets you soak in the sunrise over the Somosomo Strait. Multiple review sources point to the beds being genuinely comfortable, which sounds like a small thing until you have spent a night on a lumpy mattress in a remote destination. Rooms typically come with essentials like air conditioning, ceiling fans, and en-suite bathrooms, keeping travelers cool after a hot day of exploring. The overall vibe leans toward practical tropical, with wood accents, tiled floors, and enough space to spread out your dive gear or snorkeling kit without tripping over it every 5 minutes. For families or groups traveling together, larger room configurations tend to be available, and the resort's layout makes it easy for kids and parents to feel at home without being packed on top of one another. Since Taveuni is a remote island, you will not find the ultra-modern smart tech setups you might expect in Singapore or Dubai, but that is honestly part of the charm. The rooms lean into the natural experience of the location rather than trying to distract you with gadgets. Accessibility can be a bit limited given the terrain of the island, so travelers with mobility concerns should reach out directly to confirm what specific accommodations are available. What guests consistently highlight is that the rooms are clean, well-maintained, and positioned to take full advantage of one of the most beautiful stretches of coastline in Fiji. When it comes to dining, Garden Island Resort keeps things straightforward but satisfying, which is exactly what most travelers want after a day spent underwater or hiking waterfalls. The main restaurant on property serves up a mix of Fijian and international dishes, with fresh seafood being a natural highlight given how close the ocean is. Guests have specifically pointed out that the food is good, and in a location this remote, that is high praise because ingredients often have to travel a fair distance to get to the kitchen. Breakfasts tend to feature tropical fruits, fresh juices, eggs cooked to order, and hearty options for those planning a full day of activity. Lunches and dinners rotate through curries, grilled fish, chicken dishes, and vegetarian options that keep things interesting throughout a longer stay. The bar area is a laid-back gathering spot where guests wind down after diving trips or day tour, swapping stories over cold Fiji beers or tropical cocktails. Rum-based drinks are a common favorite, and the bartenders tend to have that warm South Pacific hospitality that makes every drink feel like it comes with a conversation. There is a real sense of community around the dining spaces, where solo travelers, couples, and families all seem to mingle easily. The pace here is slow in the best possible way, and meals often stretch into evenings filled with easy chatter and the sound of waves in the background. If you are looking for a fine dining experience with white tablecloths and a sommelier, this is not that kind of place, but for honest, filling, and enjoyable food, it delivers exactly what you would hope for on a Fijian island escape. The pool area at Garden Island Resort is a welcome retreat after time in the salty sea, offering a freshwater option for those who want to cool off without dealing with sand in unfortunate places. Loungers are typically arranged around the pool with easy access to shade, drinks, and views of the ocean beyond. The pool itself becomes a social hub during the middle of the day when the tropical sun is at its strongest, and it works equally well for families with splashing kids or couples just wanting to float and relax. While it is not an infinity pool that stretches endlessly toward the horizon, it does the job with genuine warmth and character. This is the kind of place where you can order a fruity drink, dive into a good book, and let the hours slip away. Beach access is one of the resort's biggest draws, though it is worth noting that Taveuni's coastline in this area is more about rocky shores and dramatic scenery than long sandy stretches. What the resort lacks in postcard beach real estate, it more than makes up for with world-class snorkeling and diving right off the property. The Somosomo Strait, which the resort faces, is home to the famous Rainbow Reef, one of the top soft coral diving spots on the planet. Guests can wade out and see remarkable marine life within minutes, and organized boat trips take divers to sites that consistently rank among the best in the world. Kayaking, paddleboarding, and boat tour are also easily arranged, giving water lovers plenty of ways to spend their days on and in the sea. Activities are truly where Garden Island Resort earns its reputation, and one guest review sums it up perfectly by pointing out that the hotel is perfectly set up for diving and exploring the island. The on-site dive shop is well organized, with experienced instructors and guides who know these waters like the backs of their hands. Whether you are a certified diver looking to tick off world-class sites or a total beginner ready to try scuba for the first time, staff members walk you through everything with patience and professionalism. Snorkeling gear is readily available, and organized excursions to nearby reefs happen throughout the week. Beyond the water, the resort helps arrange hikes to the famous Bauma waterfalls, natural water slides, and rainforest trails that showcase why Taveuni is called the Garden Island. For those who want to stay dry, there are plenty of options too, and another guest specifically mentioned that there are lots of activities for divers and non-divers alike. Cultural experiences such as village visits, traditional kava ceremonies, and meek performances give travelers a real feel for Fijian life beyond the resort walls. Sunset cruises are a popular way to enjoy the coastline from a different angle, and fishing trips can be arranged for those hoping to reel in something impressive. Fitness enthusiasts can find ways to stay active through swimming, hiking, and beach walks, though this is not the kind of resort with a full gym setup packed with treadmills and weight racks. The overall focus is on getting out into nature rather than staying cooped up inside, and that mindset shapes every activity the resort helps organize. Spa and wellness offerings at Garden Island Resort lean into the natural surroundings, with treatments that use local ingredients like coconut oil, tropical flowers, and traditional Fijian techniques. Massages are typically available on request, and there is something particularly restorative about getting worked on while listening to the ocean and feeling a warm breeze drift through. The remote setting itself functions as a kind of natural detox, pulling guests away from screens, traffic, and the noise of daily life. Sleep tends to come easier here, meals feel more grounded, and the pace of everything slows in a way that most spa retreats can only try to imitate. This is wellness in its most organic form, delivered by geography as much as by any structured program. While you will not find an elaborate spa complex with a sauna, steam room, and full detox program menu the way you might at a 5-star wellness resort, the essentials for relaxation are here. Yoga sessions can sometimes be arranged, especially for groups, and quiet spaces around the property lend themselves well to meditation or simple stillness. For travelers who want a deeper wellness experience, the combination of daily swimming, hiking, fresh food, and clean air often provides more benefit than any structured detox package could. It is the kind of place where you leave feeling physically tired but mentally refreshed, which is arguably the whole point of a proper vacation. Anyone seeking a full luxury spa journey may want to supplement their stay with additional wellness activities they arrange themselves. Families traveling with kids will find that Garden Island Resort caters more through its natural environment than through a structured kids club program. There is no elaborate children's center with organized activities from morning to night, but the resort has plenty to keep younger guests happy, especially those who love water and adventure. Kids typically love snorkeling right off the shore, spotting colorful fish, and exploring the tide pools that reveal all kinds of small ocean creatures. The pool is a natural gathering spot for younger travelers, and the friendly staff often go out of their way to make children feel welcome and included in resort life. Parents tend to appreciate the safe, low-key environment where kids can roam a bit without the chaos of a giant resort complex. For families with older children or teenagers, the diving and snorkeling opportunities become a real bonding experience, and many young travelers get certified during their stay here. The cultural experiences offered by the resort are also genuinely educational, giving kids a window into Fijian traditions, food, and community life that stays with them long after the trip ends. It is worth mentioning that this is not the kind of resort with a full-time nanny service or evening entertainment aimed specifically at kids. Families looking for round-the-clock structured entertainment for young ones may need to bring some of their own activities, but those who value nature-based adventure will find plenty to keep everyone engaged. The overall family experience here leans wholesome and outdoorsy rather than commercialized. The nearby attractions around Garden Island Resort are what really elevate a stay from good to unforgettable. Taveuni is packed with natural wonders, and the resort's location makes it a solid base for exploring them. The Bauma National Heritage Park, home to the stunning Taveuni waterfalls, is one of the most popular day trips, offering 3 cascading falls that visitors can hike between and swim under. The natural water slide at Waiyevo is another local favorite, giving thrill seekers a chance to slide down smooth rocks into cool pools of water. The 180th meridian passes right through Taveuni, meaning you can technically stand with 1 foot in today and 1 foot in tomorrow, which makes for a fun photo opportunity. Mate Airport sits about 17 kilometers from the resort, making arrivals and departures relatively straightforward for such a remote destination. Beyond the natural attractions, guests can visit local villages, small markets, and cultural sites that give real insight into life on this less-traveled island. The Waiyevo Marine Park is another highlight for snorkelers, and the Lavina Coastal Walk offers a beautiful day hike along the shoreline with a waterfall as a reward at the end. Shopping is limited in the way most travelers might think of it, but the trade-off is authenticity that you simply cannot find in the more developed parts of Fiji. Anyone drawn to nature, culture, and adventure will find Taveuni delivers in ways that flashier destinations often cannot. Overall, Garden Island Resort offers exactly what it promises without pretending to be something it is not. The strengths are clear, with warm staff, comfortable beds, tasty food, and a location that puts guests within reach of some of the best diving and natural attractions in the South Pacific. The consistent Tripadvisor score of 4.4 across more than 300 reviews backs up the impression that this is a solid, reliable choice for the right kind of traveler. One guest highlighted how the food is good and the staff are exceptionally friendly and helpful, adding that the beds are very comfortable too. Those simple but essential things go a long way in a remote destination. On the weaker side, travelers expecting 5-star luxury with elaborate amenities, sprawling pools, and multiple restaurants may leave a bit underwhelmed. The remote location also means that travel to and from the resort takes effort, and once there, choices for dining or entertainment outside the resort are limited. Wi-Fi and connectivity can be spottier than at mainland properties, which some see as a drawback and others see as a blessing. This is not a resort for people who want to be constantly entertained by property amenities, but for travelers who match its style, it consistently delivers a memorable and genuine Fijian experience. The unique selling points of Garden Island Resort come down to location, community, and access to world-class diving. Sitting on the doorstep of the Rainbow Reef gives this property an edge that few resorts anywhere can match, and the on-site dive operation makes it easy for guests to take full advantage. The friendly, personal service creates a sense of belonging that larger resorts often struggle to replicate. Guests are not just numbers here, they are welcomed as visitors to a special place. This blend of adventure and warmth is exactly what draws people back for repeat stays year after year. The resort can accommodate small events, group bookings, and intimate gatherings, though it is not designed as a large-scale conference venue. Wedding parties, dive groups, and family reunions have all found the property well suited to their needs, and the natural setting makes for stunning backdrops that no ballroom could ever match. For business groups seeking a genuine team-building retreat far from the usual meeting rooms, the setting offers something rare and refreshing. Guest experience highlights center on the people and the personal touches that turn a good trip into a great one. Staff members are regularly praised for going out of their way to help, from arranging last-minute excursions to remembering guests by name after just a day or two. The dive team in particular earns strong loyalty from repeat visitors who appreciate their expertise and easygoing attitude. Moments like sunset drinks by the water, spontaneous singing from staff, or unexpected upgrades tend to become the stories guests tell their friends back home. It is those human touches, more than any amenity or view, that make Garden Island Resort the kind of place travelers remember for years to come. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.